Yeah, let us start session. Yes, if anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Today, first day. Yes, what is today's agenda? Today, first day. What is today's agenda? So, first of all the introductions. All the introductions. Yes, about me, introducing. Next, about course introducing. Next, what is a prerequisite to learn Java? Next, about course contents. This is today's agenda. Okay. So, about me. First of all, about me, I think much introduction is not necessary. Just well-known trainer in the market. See, this is Nageshwara. This is Nageshwara. Okay. Yeah. This is Nageshwara. Yes, well-known trainer for Java. Well-known trainer. Still, this guy is facing issue. Unable to hear me, please rejoin. Just rejoin. Ranganath. Just rejoin its session. Yeah. So first of all, about me. Yeah, this is Nageshwara. Yes, well-known trainer for Java. Yes. In training Java, leading trainer. Yes. See here, 23 years of experience. 23 years of experience in software. Most of my experience on Java. Java, yes, big data and Hadoop. Yes, big data and Hadoop. Big data Hadoop. Next Python. Next a part of Linux. Yes, as a part of big data and Hadoop. Yes, I have the good experience on Linux also, like Linux shell scripting area, Linux administration area, very good experience. Like Python, it's a part of big data processing. So Python, Java, these all are related things. Okay. So anyone working with this area, big data and Hadoop, they must have this knowledge. Java, Python, Linux, all these three experience here. Okay. Yes, my most of the experience on Java. Yes, total career. Yes, total career. Yes, 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. Okay, currently, yes, currently working for Silotech Private Limited. Netherlands. Yes, presently work from home. Presently work from home. Yes, yes, with this COVID scenario. Yes, currently working for Silotech Private Limited. This is my current working company. This is my current working company. I am working for this company. Yes, Madhapur, near Cyber Towers, our office. Okay. Yes. So presently work from home. Yes, in total career, 18 projects completed. Yes, 19 projects started. 19 projects started. Yes, in the last month. In the last month. Last month. Yes, 18 projects. Out of 18 projects, first two projects on embedded C. If starting experience, yes, embedded C experience. Starting with the embedded C career. Yes, my career started with embedded C. Yes, embedded C. Next, 2 projects on embedded C, 12 projects on Java. Yes, next, 4 projects on data and Hadoop. So 19th current projects on Java. Current project on Java. Okay. Yes. My career started in 1997. Yes, 1993 to 97 engineering. Yes, computer science engineering. Yes, JNTU, Hyderabad. Yes, that time we don't have this much of college. Only 9 colleges that time, 93 to 97. Computer science engineering, JNTU, Hyderabad. Okay. Yes. First in my career, 97 started. 1997. Yes, started with Embedded C. First two project in Embedded C. Next 2000 year, yes, started Java career. Yes, changed to Java. Started Java career. 2013 started Hadoop and Big Data. So this is simply about my experience. Now currently my role in projects, yes, solution architect. This is my role currently. Yeah, that's all about me. Okay. Yeah. This is Nageshwara. Yes, 23 years of experience. Yes, my most of the experience, Java, Big Data, Hadoop, Python, and Linux area. Yes, currently working for Silotech Private Limited. Now presently work from home. Yes, 18 projects completed in whole career. Yes, 19 projects last month started. Okay. Yes, first initial 2 projects on C, Embedded C, Linux based Embedded C. 12 projects on Java. Yes, 2 projects on Big Data and Hadoop. Yes, 19 projects. Yes, 19th project. Currently, 19th project on Java. 19th project. Recently started. See, 93 to 97, computer science engineering, JNTU Hyderabad. Okay, I think before your birth, engineering completed. Before your birth only, my engineering completed. Okay. Yes, 1997. Yes, immediately I got the job because of my education and all this. So immediately I got the job. 1997. Yes, immediate. Even single day also no gap. Engineering and job. Okay, so 1997 embedded C. 2000 year changed to Java. Yes, 2013 Hadoop and Big Data. Okay. Yes, currently my role solution architect. Okay, next one more thing. 2013 and 2014. Yes, I was in ESA for Hadoop projects, for Hadoop cluster setup. Hadoop cluster setups. Hadoop cluster setups. Okay. Yes, we did 3 clusters setup on Hadoop here. 2013, 2014, 3 years on L1 visa. On L1 visa for 2 years. Later came to Hyderabad and continuing in Hyderabad only. So this is simply my experience about me. Okay. Yes, very long career. Yes, since 2000 year I'm traveling Java. Java, it has become part of my life. Yes, like my life partner. It has become like a life partner. Java. Since 20 years, more than 20 years traveling Java. Okay. Yes, I'm happy with Java because of long career with Java. Okay. So this is about my development experience. When come to training experience, training also I have a good experience. In training, I have good presentation skills. Since last 2 years, I'm taking online classes. Since last 2 years, I'm taking online classes for Durgasoft. Okay, last 2 years. Next, I have the very good presentation skills. Yes, in our office, anything I'll present. Of all of this, everything I'll present in my office only. So any project presentation, any presentation at the client, and all this, I'll present everything here. I have very good presentation skills. Okay, so this is about me. Next, about course. Let us say about your course here. So about the course. Yes, about the course. Yes, course. Yes, it's a core Java. Your course is core Java. Okay. course. It's a core Java. Yes, next time 5 to yes 6:30 p.m. 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Yes, 5 to 6:30 p.m. Yes, next yes duration. Yes, total duration, course duration, 75 days. 75 days. Next, number of sessions. Number of number of sessions. Number of sessions. Yes, around 68 to 70 sessions getting 68 sessions taken here. 68 sessions. Yes, holiday rare case. Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes. Okay, Monday to Saturday classes. Next, 3 demo classes you can see. 3 demo classes you can attend. 3 demo classes. Yes, your course, Core Java. Yes, your time 5 to 6:30 p.m. Okay, 5 to 6:30 p.m. Duration, yes, 75 days. 5 to 6:30 p.m. IST. Yes, it's a fixed time. No change in this time. 5 to 6:30. Yes, duration 75 days. Total duration 75 days. Number of sessions 68 sessions. Monday to Saturday strictly classes. Only Sunday holiday. Only Sunday holiday. Yes, let me show recently completed batch. How many sessions were taken? Recently completed. Yes, batch complete here. Recently completed batch. Since 17th May started. Yes, 8th August completed. Recently completed. 17th May. 17th May to 8th August. Exactly 78 days taken this batch. 78 days, 71 sessions. 78 days, 71 sessions this batch. Next, one more batch. Morning I'm taking now. Currently, right now, one morning batch is going 8:30. That 8 o'clock AM batch is going on. Yes, 6th September started that batch. 6th of September starts still going on. 9th November. Yes, almost 50. Yes, 57 days. 6th September to 6th September to 9th November. Means 2 months. 60 days. That batch 60 days completed. 60 days. Yes. 52 sessions complete. Means only 8 holidays taken from that batch. 8 holidays. Okay, still I think that batch 20 more sessions to go. I think 20 more sessions to finish that batch. That is my dedication. Now currently 9th November. Yes, yesterday's this video. Today video I have to upload now. Okay, yes. So total this is 2 months. Yes, in this 2 months here, 52 sessions taken. 52 today, 53 sessions. Only 7 days holidays. This total 60 days. Only Sunday holiday. Monday to Saturday strictly taking class. That is my dedication. Okay, yes. So 3 demo classes you can attend. Okay, so duration 75 days. Number of sessions 68 sessions. Yes, Monday to Saturday classes. Okay, yeah, 3 demo classes you can attend here. 3 demo classes facility available. Yes, after 3 demo classes you can decide it. Okay, 3 demo classes means except today. Today not considering. So 3 demo tomorrow starting actual subject only. Tomorrow classes starting actual topic here. From the 3 classes you can see. After that you can decide it. After that you can decide. Okay, fine. Yes, next here. So what are the services from our side? What are services? See, daily recordings. Now current is recording your class. Daily recordings. Daily recordings. Share it to. Yes, daily recordings will be shared. Yes, will be shared to. Share it to your registered Gmail ID. Yes, you are registered. Now you are registered on Gmail ID, right? Same. Okay. Yes, daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID. Gmail ID just within 1 hour of finishing class. Just within 1 hour of finishing class. 1 hour of finishing means by 8 o'clock. Yes, by 8 p.m. you can watch it. By 8 p.m. you can watch it. Okay. After finishing your class here, so daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail just within 1 hour of finishing class. It will take 1 hour. It will take 1 hour to process all the recordings. It will take 1 hour.
Sir, will this recording be updated on YouTube also?
Yeah, we are updating. I think first week all the sessions are updating on YouTube also. You can see on YouTube also. My sessions are there on YouTube. Every batch first week sessions are updating in YouTube. Okay, you can see that. Okay. Yes, I will share your Gmail ID. Yes, you don't worry. Your personal Gmail ID. Okay, daily recordings will be shared to your personal Gmail ID. Okay. Yes, now registered. Today you have registered one Gmail. Today registered one Gmail, right? Yes, to that Gmail ID, I will share. This is my responsibility. Okay. This is my personal and I'm taking responsibility here. So every day uploading immediately here. Within 1 hour of finishing class. Okay. Yes. So for you guys, yes, next one more facility here. Suppose any students, yes, unable to just continue classes due to some reasons here. Some reasons, yes, some reasons maybe your college time changed. Somebody maybe office working hours changed. So that case, unable to continue classes after paying fees also, unable to continue classes. Yeah, that case here, yes, you can attend next batch also. You can attend next batch. You can attend next batch also. That facility also I'm providing here. That case you can attend next batch also. Okay. So daily recording sharing, you can watch recording. Okay. Suppose you're unable to attend the class any day, unable to attend the classes. Any day unable to attend the class here, watch the recordings. Any doubts are there, you can ask me. Immediately you can ask me. If you're getting doubts here, yes, you can ask me immediately. How to communicate with me daily, I'll inform you. I'll tell you. Okay. Yes. So this is. So next, any student unable to continue classes, that case you can attend next batch also. No issue. Okay, I'm not a commercial. Yes, you can attend next batch also. Okay. See, for you guys, daily recordings plus recordings. So these are recordings here. These recordings sharing through the drive only here. So the drive, yes, generally creating some drive for your batch. For example, drive is some 8:30 AM batch drive. Yes, so this is drive for the 8:30 AM batch. This drive sessions every day sharing with them. Like this also, like this drive here. For your batch also, I create separate drive. For your batch, I'll create separate drive. Okay. Next, I will upload into the drive. Like this drive here. For you also, I'll create separate Google Drive. Then I'll be uploading this Google Drive. Next, access given on this drive here. Share. That will be sharing to your Gmail ID. Something like this. Okay, I'll share this. Okay, I'll share to your Gmail simply. From that you can watch it. So this is Drive. From the Google Drive you can watch it. Not Gmail, Google Drive. Go to Google Drive. I'll share to your Google Drive. Yes, from that you can watch it. Okay. So this is Drive, creating Drive for your batch. Okay. So recordings, record Drive access plus class documents. Your daily class documents. Daily class documents. Daily class documents. See. So this is class document, your class document. Yes, November 5th November updated, recently updated documents. Here this is document. Here this is around 550 page document. This is totally 550 page document this is. So this is your class document, 555 pages. Okay. So your class document this is. Yes, in this document, yes, your daily sessions. See here. Next here, running notes is not necessary. You guys, yes, need not write any running notes. It's not necessary. Just you can follow this document here. Okay. See, explanation purpose. I'll be using notepads. Sometimes I'll be using Word, Notepad and words. Okay. So what are the topics explained in the Notepad and words? Same thing repeat in this document here. Same thing as this. See, whatever the order I'm teaching here, same order prepared in the document. Same order. Yes, my class order of teaching on this document same. Even single line also not missing. Even single line also not missing here. Yes, every line you can see. Every line. So what are the topics explaining and on the notepad and word? Yeah, generally I'll be using notepad and word for explanation purpose. Okay. So what are things explained? Everything prepared in the document. Okay. Same. So what are the things I'm explaining the class? Same document order same. My class order, document order same. Even single line also no mismatch. Every line matching. Well prepared document. Yes, 550 page document with 300 programs prepared. 300 programs. 300 programs like logical building, some programs real-time project related examples. Totally 300 programs prepared. 300 programs. Next 500 interview questions also prepared. In total documents, topic wise interview questions are there. Topic wise interview questions. 500 interview questions prepared here. Okay. Yeah, this all that my experience. Okay. This document completely my experience only here. My 20 years of experience in Java. All of these things I prepared in the document here. Same thing I'll be delivering you. Okay, this is my completely my experience. These documents nowhere matching with anyone in the market. Yes, most of the trainers they will copy the all the documents from the different websites. They will go to Google searching for copying and pasting the document, but it's not like that. It's my completely my experience. So this document nowhere matching with any trainer and any websites in the market. So completely my experience. So this is about document. This document for you only. I'll be sharing with you these documents. So this document for you only. I'll be sharing with you. Okay. So this is about document, class document. So daily running notes is not necessary. See, writing running notes is wasting of time. Wasting of time. To save the time, I have prepared very clear documents. Okay. Yes, recordings, class documents. Next, JDK software. I'll provide JDK software. JDK 8 software. Yes, JDK 9 software. Next, JDK 11 software and JDK 13 softwares. Yes, we'll be discussing up to 13, JDK 13. Different versions, JDK 1, JDK 1.0 to 13. All the versions will discuss. All the versions I'll explain very clearly. Okay, yes. Special focus on JDK 8 and 9. So these things, recordings, plus class documents, plus so JDKs, Java software. Okay. Yes, apart from this, one more facility. Okay, interesting facility. Yes. One more facility. Yes. So this is about course. Core Java. Time 5 to 6:30 p.m. IST. Yes, duration 75 days. Number of sessions 68 sessions. Only Sunday holiday. Monday to Saturday classes. Okay. See, dedication generally anywhere I'll working immediately. Even office work and this work, yes, that much of dedication. Yes, I'll work like a devil, no doubt, like a devil, 24/7. If 3 demo classes you can attend. 3 demo classes. Okay. So every day sharply starting at 5 o'clock. Yes, ending at 6:30. Exactly 1.5 hour class. Okay, even 1 minute also no delay. Exactly 5 o'clock means 5 o'clock sharply starting your class. That is my yes, I'll follow everything here. Okay, functionality. I'll follow the functionality here. Most of the trainers, class 5 o'clock means they will start at 5:30 or 5:20. But my classes are not like this. Exactly sharply at 5 o'clock. So this is about course. Yes, about me. Yes, next. What is prerequisites? Yeah, this is
Sir, what is the course fee?
yeah. I'll tell you. Just wait. All that I'll tell you. Next year, this is important question for non-IT guys. Yes, for non-IT guys, maybe it's a million dollars question. So what's a prerequisite for learning Java here? Without IT background, can I learn Java or not? Maybe asking these kind of questions. Okay. See, prerequisite for Java, nothing requires. Nothing requires. Yes, I'm not expecting anything from you. Nothing requires. Yes, non-IT background guys also can understand here. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Okay. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Okay. Yes, everyone can understand. Nothing required. I'm not expecting anything from you. No expectations. No expectations here. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Can understand the classes. Understand easily here. Easily. Okay. Easily can understand. Just Windows knowledge. Little bit about Windows knowledge. Like C drive, D drive. Just computer uses enough. Okay, folder, what is folder, what is file, only that's it. That knowledge enough here. Not expecting more than that. Okay, here starting with basics, and finally, yes, taking to high end. Finally, yes, taking to high end. So starting with basics. Yes, even non-IT background guys also, without any computer background, they can understand classes. Starting with very basics, there is a lot of information. In every class, lot of information, a lot of concepts explaining here. So starting with basics and finally taking the high end. See here, one thing I can promise you, one thing, yes, by the time of finishing course, yes, you can put up yes minimum of 3 to 4 years of experience. That I can promise you. 100% my promise from my side. Yes, how to put up the experience. So how to prepare the resume, how to face the interviews, and all that selected. See, I'll be taking many interviews. Recently, yes, 19 projects we have taken. We have hired many. Yes, around 40, 45, 45, 46, 46 resources we have taken on our 19th projects. Yes, in that 46 resources, my students, 12 students have taken. Recent batch students. I think last 5 batches, yeah, they have forwarded some 100 resumes. I have forwarded 100 resumes. Out of 100 resumes, here, more than 100 forwarded. After scrutinizing 25 members finalized here. After 20 from the 25 members, we have taken interviews. Mainly here, first of all, yes, communication skills required in our office because of most of the clients are US clients. So every employee has to talk to client. Communication skills is important. Based on communication skills and aptitude, yes, we have filtered some students here. Finally, 25 list prepared from 25 list here. Yes, based on the next technical, finally technical round. From that, we have picked 12 students. And yes, started with that. Yeah, 12 students recently joined in our company. Of my 12 students, almost 12 students joined in the company here. Yes, now they are undergoing training for the projects. After finishing project training, they will be sent to the client location. They'll be working on client projects. Okay. Yes, I'll be helping lots of students, no doubt. Yes, 1 second. Yes, how I'm helping students. Even I'll show that also guarantee from my side. So this is about prerequisites. So nothing required. Yes, non-IT background guys also can understand easily. Okay. Yes. Now let us come to course about course contents. About course contents. Yes, about the course contents. Yeah, this is what. Yes, I think many are waiting for this one here. Yes, what are the course contents covering? Okay. Yes, let us see about course contents. See, actually JDK, Java Development Kit. Java, yes, development kit. This is JDK software. The JDK software contains what? That what is our part? Yes, in JDK there are 4 editions here. 4 editions. Yes, like Java SE. Yes, J2 SE. Okay. Yes, Java standard edition, Java standard, Java standard, Java standard edition, Java standard edition. Yes, next. Yes, JME. Yes, yes, J2. Yes, J2ME, J2ME, Java mobile edition, Java. Yes, mobile edition, Java mobile edition. Yes, next one. Yes, Java enterprise edition, J2WE, J2WE. Yes, Java enterprise, Java enterprise edition, Java enterprise edition. Yes, SE Java standard edition, Java enterprise edition, and next Java mobile edition. Yes, fourth one. Yes, Java FX, JFX. Yes, Java FX. This is complete JDK. Total JDK 4 editions. In total JDK there are 4 editions. 4 editions here. Out of these 4 editions here, these 3 editions are not using because Java poor in this area. Java is poor in this area. So market industry using this area on here. These 2 things. Industry using these 2 things. Look at these 2 things like Java standardization and enterprise. Yes, our course is Java standardization. It's a core Java. Java standardization. It's a technology. Java technology. Learning Java technology. So this is Java technology. This is just Java technology. Java standardization. It's a Java technology. Just learning Java technology. Okay. Learning Java technology. Java standardization. This is our course. Next, Java enterprise. Yes, next level is Java enterprise. It's a application development, apps development. Yes, application development is application development parts. Application development. Okay, in this all the frameworks. These all the frameworks. Yes, frameworks comes from this category. So Java standardization. It's a Java technology means this is our course. This is our course. Java SE is our course. Next enterprise, next level. Application development. Application development. 1 second here. Java standardization. Java technology means our core Java part. Yes, of learning core Java. Yes, you want to be a Java developer, then we should go this area. Otherwise, you can go for other areas like testing Selenium. Testing Selenium tool. After finishing our course, you can move to testing Selenium or Hadoop. We can choose Hadoop. You can choose Hadoop, or you can choose Salesforce. Yes, nowadays Salesforce also using Java codes. Next, you can use you can go for data science. After learning your course, core Java. After finishing your core Java, yes, you can move to application development Java developer. You can sit as Java developer, or you can go to Hadoop, or you can go to testing Selenium, or you can go for Salesforce or data science. So nowadays core Java, most of the area core Java required nowadays. Okay, so Java standardization, this is our course. Okay, what are the features of this Java standardization? Let us say about this. Java standardization features nothing but our course. See what is our course? Course contents. Java standardization course contents. First, yes, core part of Java starting here. Core part of Java. First, initially core part of Java. So what is core part of Java? See, core part of Java means all the fundamentals. Core part of Java means all the fundamentals, Java fundamentals, like data types, next operators, yes, operators, yes, operators, data types, operators, yes, control statements, okay. Next, Java language syntax, yes, all these comes on core part of the data types, operators, control statements. Next, language, Java language syntax. Okay, so this area, yes, this area, see control statements. Control statements means like a C language, data types. Like a C language in Java also data types available. Data types, operators, like unary, binary, ternary operators, like mathematical, relational, increment, decrement operators, logical operators. Okay. Next, control statements here. It's like if statements. Next, switch case statements, if statements. Next, switch case statements. Next, while loop. Yes, next, do while loop. Yes, next, for loop. So while loop, yes, do while, and for loops. Okay, these are all the fundamentals. Okay, next, yes, apart from arrays part, Java arrays. Yes, in this area, around 100 programs should be discussing. 100 programs explaining. Okay, so this is not words I'm saying here. Practically, I'll show 100 programs. 100 programs in this area. Logic building, main focus on logic building. Nowadays, it's required programming skills, logic building, and improving. Yes, improving your programming skills. Just focus. 4 weeks, totally 4 weeks focus in this area. 4 weeks for focus on logic building. Special focus on logic building, improving programming skills on those 4 weeks, around 4 weeks. Okay, if statement and all that examples, 100 programs. Yes, out of 100 programs, 60 programs I'll explain. 60 programs. Yes, explaining. Yes, 40 assignments. Yes, you'll see daily assignments. 40 assignments. 40 assignments you have to solve it. 60 programs explaining here. Yes, 40 assignments. Daily assignments will be there. Till the end of the course, you'll see daily assignments. Practically, you'll see. Okay. Yes, for example, only for loop. Java for loop. See, only for loop itself, for loop and while loop. That area around 40 programs, more than 40 programs, only for loop area. Pattern programs and different kind of programs. Like this kind of pattern and this kind of pattern programs. For logic building purpose, I'm explaining all of these things here. Okay, finding Fibonacci series. Next, fin primes, prime number, fin primes. Yeah, this kind of strong number, Armstrong numbers, like this kind of examples. Okay, this kind of examples get, yes, around 45 only loops. Okay, that 45, that list Yes, apart from extra also will be covering here. Next, if statements around 20 programs. If statements. Next, which case state? Next, arrays. In arrays, more than 20 programs. Totally 100 programs will be covering. Okay, all the programs prepared in document here. In this document, every program is there. That 100 programs are there. So that is logic building here. This area. Special focus on logic building, improving program skills. Once you perfect about programming, once you good at programming here, then easy to work in software field. I'll make you perfect in programming skills. Don't worry, I'll make you perfect. So once you perfect in programming, next starting Java, object-oriented programming. Yes, concepts, concept features explaining here. Okay, so once you good at this area, then easy to understand software. Nothing. Yes, complete your software working different. It depends on these 100 programs you're understanding. Yes, if you're able to solve this kind of programs here, you can do wonders in software field. The thing is how to develop the logics, how to write the good programming. So once that all that skills are improved here, then easy to work in software field. Okay, so for that reason focusing on this one here, 4 weeks. Okay, yes, this is actually student feedback. Yes, since the last 6 batches I'm focusing on this area. Yes, many students are asking, so for that reason specially. So this fundamentals party previously starting batches taken only one week classes. Fundamentals only 1 week taken, but I'm taking now 4 weeks because of students asking. So many of the students are asking how to, sir, I'm very poor in programming. Okay, most of particularly testing is are asking, sir, I'm very programming. Yes, unable to write the programming, how to improve skills. They're asking like that here. I have introduced a special course in this area, special topic, logic building for 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Yes, you will see. I think your friends might have informed how that my programming skills and logical thinking, all that. Okay, just you ask your friends, they will tell you. Okay, yes. Oops, concept features next. Yes, 1 second. Let me have some water. One minute, just 1 minute. Yes, next about oops concept features here. First starting to oops history. What's the reason, what's the purpose of OOP concept in the market? Why OOPS concept was developed, the history. Then its features like encapsulation, okay, like data abstraction. Yes, next after methods, method overloading, next static access modifier, static data, static methods, and those concepts. Okay, next step. After that, yes, this reference. Yes, how to use this reference of this keyword. This reference. Next step. Of these constructors. Next is constructors. Next is constructors overloading. See here, daily class also like this only here. Every topic, not only speaking, I'll be typing also. Suppose if I'm explaining any sentence here, the sentence I used to type and explaining. Okay, so not speaking here, not only speaking, whatever things I'm speaking here, I'll type in the class itself. So simply I will type class itself. Okay. I will type, suppose for example, constructor explaining. So what is a, yes, I'll speak like this. What is a constructor? So what is a constructor? What is a constructor? This question is like this. Not only speaking, I'll write in the notepad. Then easy for you. Okay, easy for you. So what's a constructor? Yes, speaking is simply I'm saying that what is a constructor? What is a constructor? For example, what is a constructor? Okay, yes, what is a constructor? Yes, constructor. Yes, constructor. Yes, easy. Yes, simply here my expression will be like this. Constructor is a member of the class. Constructor is a member of the class. Member of the class. Yes, which is used to initialize objects. Which is used to initialize objects. Like this, my way of teaching here. Daily. Okay, initializing objects like this. Not in speaking, whatever words I'm speaking, same thing I will type in the notepad. Okay, what are the things I'm speaking here? Same thing I'll type in the notepad. Then easy. After finishing this one, again I will repeat. What's a constructor? I'll read again here. Next, constructor is a member of the class, which is used to initializing an object. Like this is my way of explanation. Okay, slowly and neatly I will explain. Don't worry. So constructor overloading. Yes, after constructor overloading, next is inheritance. Next is inheritance. Yes, inheritance. Inheritance. After inheritance, next topic is method overriding. Method overriding. Method overriding. Okay. Yes. So inheritance, method overriding. After method overriding, yes. Next, polymorphism. 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 Yes, after polymorphism, next access specifiers. Next access. Yes, access modifiers. Access specifiers, access modifiers. Next, abstract classes. Abstract classes. Okay, next. Yes, interfaces. Interfaces. Next. Yes. Next, garbage collection. Garbage collection. Next, packages. Packages. This is completely OOPS area. Yes, object-oriented programming. The concept features here. So encapsulation, data abstraction. Yes, encapsulation, data abstraction, method overloading. Next, static access modifier. If this reference, constructors overloading. Next, inheritance, method overriding. Yes, polymorphism. Polymorphism. Yes, access specifiers, access modifiers, abstract classes, interfaces, garbage collection. Yes, and then package. So this is the OOPS area. This is OOPS area. Yes, after finishing OOPS, next. Yes, now project related topic starts. After finishing OOPS, Java OOPS here, project related. Yes, in project, real-time project here, how to string, using string class. Next, using, yes, string class, string buffer class. Using string buffer class. Next, using string builder class. Okay, next, string tokenizer. String tokenizer classes. Yes, string class, string buffer. See, all of these things for strings purpose only here. But all the areas we can't use all here. Depends on requirements. Some cases use, there are different string operations. There are different string operations. Different operations using different kind of things here. Some cases using string class. Some cases string buffer class. Some cases string builder class. Some cases string tokenizer. Depends on requirements. Okay. Yes. Next, after finishing this, next object wrapper classes. Object wrapper classes. Object wrapper classes. See, object wrapper classes main purpose to make everything is object in Java. Object. Why object introduced actually here? For data security. Yes, why this OOPS concept? Data security here. If data inside the object, there is a security for data. To get more security, object like every data like objects. Okay, 1 second. Not audible. Huh? 1 second, just a minute. Yes. 1 second. See. Just a minute. If anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Just rejoin. Just rejoin the session. Yes, anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Just rejoin. Simple solution. Rejoin. Yes, select audio. Select audio while joining. Yes, at the beginning itself already informed. Okay. Anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin the session. Select audio while joining. Select audio. Mr. Alauddin. MD Alauddin. Just rejoin. Okay. So this is, yes, next object wrapper classes. So this is to make everything object in Java. After finishing object wrapper classes, so next one is, yes, exception. Next one is exception handling. Okay. Yes, exception. Next is exception handling concept here. Exception. Yes, what is an exception? Exception means, yes, abnormal termination. Abnormal termination. That should be handled. Abnormal termination. Yes, exception means abnormal termination. See, some applications, yes, this guy, Ranganath Gaud, just rejoin the session. Yes, anyone unable to hear, just rejoin. Select audio while joining. Select audio. Yes. Yes, this guy. Rejoin the session.
Sir, how much is the fees, sir?
Yeah, 1 second. I'll the details also I'll give you. Wait. Final topic, that is exception. So exception means abnormal termination. Yes, suppose some applications, for example, banking application. Okay, some banking application connected to database, reading data from database. So when reading data from database, network is down. Reading data from database, network is down. Yes, when network is down here, application has to display one message. Network is down. Please try again. It should not be terminated abnormally here. Suppose if not handling exceptions, application terminating abnormally. So once terminate abnormally, is sudden termination, suddenly terminating. So once application terminates suddenly here, loss of all the data, loss of data. Yes, in real time, data should not last. That real time data should not last. For example, here, suppose some customer is going to bank and depositing some 10,000 rupees. Right? Yes, that he will go to one counter. Yes, you fill the form, will give the 10,000 rupees. That counter guy is taking amount here, and you open one form, deposit form, fill that and submit. After submission, network is down. That case, it has to display one message. Network is down. Please submit same form again. Please submit again. Unable to deposit amount. That message has to display. That is nothing but exception handling. Suppose if accepts not and application fails. When application failed, what happens here? Loss of 10,000 rupees. Yes, who will be losing here? Yes, either bank or somebody will lose. Definitely either bank or somebody will lose. So that kind of situations, handling that kind of situation, nothing but exceptions. So unexpected things are application here. Abnormal termination. Application should not be terminated abnormally. Suddenly it should not terminate. That has to display some messages. Okay, so that is exception handling. Okay, next one more thing here. Now you here using go to training app, right? Go to training app. Suppose suddenly network is down here. That go to training application should not stop. It has to display some message. Okay, it has to display some message like your network is down. Please check your network. It has to display one message here. Okay, not audible. Okay, yes, network is down. Please check your network. Like that, yes, is some message here. That is nothing but exception handling patterns here. Okay, yes, next. Yes, of exception handling. Next is yes, collections. Collections. Yeah, this is most important topic in Java. Collections. Nothing but like a data structures, like a C language data structures. In Java also, we have some data structures. This is data structures area. Data structures. Okay, there are different kind of components like collection components like list components. Next queue, yes, queue components, list components, queue components, set components, and map components. See what is collections purpose here. See, in real-time projects here, the project application has to maintain huge amount of data in the RAM memory only here. Generally, data maybe users information. That information all stored in the database. Database is to maintain all the information. Okay. Suppose if data in the database, time taken to read every time from the database. Reading data from database every time taken. Instead of this here, whatever data in database, that data has to maintain itself. Yes, in your application inside the RAM memory here, huge amount of data has to maintain millions of records. Maybe yes, 1 million means it occupies 1 GB data. 1 million means 10 lakhs. 1 million, 10 lakhs. 1 million is 10 lakhs. 1 million of records with 1 GB data. 2 millions, 3 millions, 4 millions. Instead of RAM memory, 1 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM, 3 GB RAM, utilizing RAM space. Instead of RAM only, maintaining big data. That case we can go for collections. Yes, collections are having lot of importance. Without collections, no interviews. Even you put up the 10 years of experience guy, yes, 10 years of experience guy also, compulsory collections interview will be there. Without collections interview, yes, no job. Compulsory 100% collections interview. Everyone has to face collections interview. 10 years experience guy also has to face that collections interview. That is having that much of importance. Okay, yes, collections is my favorite topic. Collections is my favorite topic. Very good experience this area. Yes, in many projects I have used these collections here. Okay, yes, very interesting topic also about collections. After finishing collections, yes, next topic is IO streams. Yes, input output streams here. Yes, input output streams. Okay, it's nothing but just it's a file handling. It's a file handling. Just it's a file handling. It's a file handling. Okay, IO streams. It's a file handling. Files like different types of files like text files, CSV files, comma separated values, CSV files, Excel files. See, in real-time projects, many different kind of files we have to handle. Excel files, next XML files, yes, JSON files, okay, JSON data files, next PDF files, next images, next audio files, yes, audio files, next video files, yes, audio video files, all these files processing here. Yes, in this area we'll see one project. Real-time projects. We'll discuss on real-time projects. Real-time projects, yes. On data processing. How data processing at the server sides. Real-time project on data processing. For this purpose, yes, in this topic here, I'll be using files and collections. Combination of collections and files we'll discuss on project here. For real-time project, I'll explain. So these IO streams. Yes, very interesting. These two very interesting area. Yes, we'll see one real-time projects. Okay. Next, after finishing that. So next is IO stream software networking topic. Networking. Yes, networking topic. So networking. Yes, in networking here, like TCP applications. Next UDP applications. TCP, transmission control protocol, like one-to-one communication. This is one-to-one communication. Yes, in this one we'll discuss one chatting application, like a WhatsApp chatting app. Yes, how to develop chatting application, Alex. Yes, practically I'll show. So here, yes, two guys how to chat, two persons chatting each other. The chatting app we'll discuss, like a WhatsApp chatting application, I'll explain. Next UTP. Yeah, this also looks like a somewhat some mini projects, chatting application, networking related project here. Okay, next one to many. This is broadcasting. Broadcasting 1 to many is a broadcasting. The broadcasting on this also we'll discuss on application here. 1 to many. One computer delivering data to many computers in network. One computer delivering data to many computers. For example, here some bank, Axis Bank. Axis Bank at the end of the day, they wanted to deliver some reports to different branches. Axis Bank delivering report to different branches. So head office, from the head office, at the head office there is a server. That server delivering or data to all their branches. Same kind of application we'll discuss here. Broadcasting. Okay. Yes, after finishing this, after finishing networking here, next multi-threading. So multi-threading topic. Multi-threading. So multi-threading. See, nowadays, rare case using multi-threading. Reason is all frameworks are there in the market. All frameworks like Spring framework, next Hibernate framework, Hadoop framework. Yes, like this many frameworks, Selenium frameworks, like this many frameworks available. All the frameworks are frameworks itself is a multi-threading. Separately multi-threaded coding is not necessary. Yes, nowadays we are not writing any multi-threaded coding. It's not necessary here. Okay, even not necessary. I'll explain very clearly multi-threading also. Yes, even for knowledge purpose also, you must have that knowledge compulsory here. I'll explain very clearly multi-threading. Okay, after multi-threading here, so next version wise. Yes, JDK. Yes, JDK 1.0 features, next 1.1, next 1.2, next 1.3, next 1.4, next 1.5, next 1.6 features, 1.7 version wise features. See, I work with every version. Live experience, 20 years of experience with different versions here. So 1.7, 1.8, from 1.8 it's Java 8, calling it Java 8, they're calling it Java 8, Java 8 features, Java 9 features, next Java 11 features, and Java 13 features. So currently, yes, we are using Java 9. Okay, since last two projects we are using Java 9. Yes, industry, they are using, most of the companies they are using Java 8 only here. Okay, Java in rare companies using. Yes, in our office we are using Java 9. Our Java team, very big team, 178 members team, 178 members Java team. So 170, yes, we have very excellent Java developers in our team. 178 members. Yes, Java oriented. Our office completely, our company completely Java oriented, mainly focusing on Java projects. Okay. Yes. Next Java 11 and 13 also we have updated. Completely our team updated, and we are ready to use Java 11 also. Suppose any client is asking for Java 11. So any client is asking for these versions, we are ready to implement that also. Yes, in our syllabus covering all these versions. Okay. Special focus on 8 and 9 features. This is special focus. Covering all the features, special focus on 8 and 9. Because industry asking 8 and 9 features compulsory. Of course, this 11 and 13 industry is not asking. They are focusing on 8 and 9 only here. Yes, no worry. I'll explain this 11 and 13 also. Because I have the knowledge, I have the experience, I am delivering that it. Okay. So this is our syllabus. Yes, next one more thing here in SE, JDBC is there, but it's not our syllabus. Java database connectivity. This is comes from advanced Java actually. It's advanced Java. Advanced Java. Next, yes, AWT. Yes, next tablets. Tablets. This is complete SE. Yeah, these two things were outdated. Outdated. Yes, outdated year 2004. Yes, after Spring Framework came to the market, these two things were outdated. No one using. These two things were outdated. These technologies, no one using. No one using here. So JDBC is advanced Java. Yeah, this is around 45 days session. Only JDBC 45 days. It's advanced Java. Yes, our course is up to this. Okay, up to 9th topic. After that, version-wise features. Version-wise. So this is your complete course. Your complete course. Java standardization. Okay, core part of Java. So this is 4 weeks spending here. Like focus on logic building, special focus on this area, improving programming skills. This is initial problem. 4 weeks. 2 weeks OOPS concepts. 2 weeks. Yes, after that. Yes, around 7 weeks this area. The real-time project series 7 weeks. 7 weeks. This is 2 weeks, or this is 4 weeks. Okay. Yes, almost 11 to 12 weeks per batch. So this is about your course introduction and course details and all this. Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. So your course, this is again. I'm showing this your course. Core Java. Time 5 to 6:30 p.m. Duration 75 days. Number of sessions 68 sessions. Monday to Saturday classes. Only Sunday holiday. Okay. Yes, 3 demo classes you can see. After that you can decide it. 3 demo classes. Okay. Yes, next one more thing. Online team number. Yes, for fees details and account details, payment details and all this. Take this online team number. Online team. One second. Somebody enjoying. Okay. Let me mute all. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, this is the online team number 7207 7207 7207 2124 2124. Yes, 27. This is online team number. Yes, for our course fees and yes, that account details, Google Pay number, and all this you can get here. Just you call to online team. Yes, here you can have course fees details, the accounts details, and all this. You can talk to online team. These are online team number. 1 second, let me check once again. 7207 7207 2124 2124 27. Right? This is online team number. Yeah, unmuted. Yes, yeah. No.
Need your WhatsApp.
Yes. Yes,
Sir, need your WhatsApp number. I haven't noted it down.
course, I mean, if I enroll in this course, am I able, at the end of this course, am I able to write the OCAGP exam?
Yes, 100%. Who is Oracle?
Because, yes, sir,
100%.
Oracle certified.
Yes,
Because
100%.
there is no separate course available at your institute right now. So that's why I thought,
No
okay,
worries.
let me enroll
You
in
can
this
write
course. So
100%. You can attend that. 100% you can face that SCJP also. Yes,
so I'm in a position to write that exam, right?
SCJP. Yeah, 100%. Previous it was SCJP, now it's a OCJP.
Yes, sir,
Previously,
OCAGP.
yeah. Previously Sun certified, now it's a Oracle certified. Now Java is
Yes, sir.
Oracle. Previously it was with Sun certified. Sunsoft, now it's Oracle Corporation. Yes, you can write 100%. That 100% guarantee from my side, no doubts. Okay,
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
right? Yeah. Course fees details and account details, just you contact online team. This is online team number. Just to contact online team. This online team number. Just to contact. They will provide all that information. Okay. Yeah. Still any doubts are there? See, daily after finishing class, I'll be waiting for 10 minutes minimum. Doubts clarification after finishing class, minimum 10 minutes I'll spend with you. So any doubts you can ask me. Any doubts? Yeah, that's a features last at the end. Final topic, that features. Final topic. 8 special focus on 8 and 9 features. Yes, lambda expressions and all this. 8 and special focus in this area. Final topic that is. Okay, after finishing complete course, final topic. Last 1 week completely these features covering. Last 1 week topic that is. Okay. Yes. Still any details? Yes, you can feel like a friend. You can feel free
Sir.
to ask kind of things. Okay.
Sir.
Yes. Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, this OCAGP exam is like MGQ based, right? So how can I practice the questions like mock test kind of after?
Yeah. I'll give you some questions. Yeah. I'll give you some questions. You practice that questions. Okay.
Okay,
Right.
sir. Thank you.
Yeah. See, in your training itself, I'll be giving lot of questions. Daily assignments will be there. Those assignments you have to solve it. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's all for today. So thank you guys. Yes, sir. Tomorrow also same link. Till Saturday, same link, same time. Same link. No change in link. Yes, same link till Saturday. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Yes, have a great
Thank you,
night.
sir. Thank you,
Have
sir.
a great night.